Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete CIMB bank account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, I'm gonna simply show you the method and steps for you to be doing so. So make sure to follow it along. As you can see, we are in the CIMB Bank official website and we have searched the concern is how do I close my account or how do I delete my account. So for that, it's a very simple method. All you gotta do is log into your particular CIMB Bank app of yours, and once you have logged into right over there, you gotta simply go to section of accounts. You're gonna tap on that. As soon as you do that, you will have the menu option including a view details. You're gonna tap on view details of your chosen account. Once you have done that, you will find this option of close account. Go ahead, simply tap on it and your account will be closed permanently. It might ask you to provide a certain verification requirements. Go ahead, provide the verification details and you will be able to tap on close account and close account likewise on your CIMB Bank. That's how easy the method is. Hope this video helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in our next video.